Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a wallet that truly holds it all, you need to check this one out. This is from SENDEFN, and this is a gorgeous pebble leather wallet that really will hold everything in place. I really love the beautiful pebble leather on this wallet. Not only is it really pretty, but this wallet holds it all. I have to say I have not had a wallet that truly holds it all the way that this one does. Normally I have to put some of my cards to a side pocket in my purse, but this wallet has 15 plus slots and 2 coin change purses, as well as little sneaky spots where you can put extra things as well as your cash in a fully foldable wallet. The wallet is RFID blocking as well, so I don't have to worry about anyone stealing from my very private personal information, but rather it holds everything securely. What's really neat about this wallet is even while it's holding everything in place, I can still get it to close even on the first clasp. But I can put the second and it holds securely in place so I don't have to worry that it's going to be opening. It's really easy to find inside my purse, and if I don't want to bring my bag with me, it has a handy strap for my wrist so that I can just carry the wallet, not having to worry about leaving anything behind. This is the beautiful gray, and they have other color options as well, but I have to say I am truly impressed by the softness of the leather as well as how much that this wallet can hold. You will be able to keep everything with you nice and secure with this beautiful wallet, but that's just my point of view.